Rajat Sharma. I lead the supply chain for Milton Housewares Limited. Hamilton is into the housewares category and we are the brand leaders, and we're proudly an innovation-led organization. Now, we started our e-commerce journey in 2016, and obviously we started to operate with CT, FK and the others. And we saw steep growths in 2017, 18, and by 19 we realized that the market shares on this channel are going up. The bigger players have started to face constraints on spread of SKUs, space, especially during the festive fluctuations. Given all of that, and obviously a lot of commercial considerations, in 2019 we decided to launch our own e-commerce B2C operations. So we wanted to go live on all marketplaces, and thus we needed a middleware because we were facing the typical challenges of keeping the same inventory live on all the sites. We wanted to have single users for these multiple sites. We wanted a WMS stack for conversion, and obviously we were looking at a lot of tracking, control, process efficiency and data at the end of it. Now, we got referred to Unicommerce by internal teammates. So these were guys who had worked with Unicommerce in their previous organizations, and their experience was very, very successful. That is how we started talking to the Unicommerce team. Obviously, we were also talking to a lot of others. What we found in the Unicommerce team is capability, but capability also clubbed with knowledge of the business operations. So they knew exactly what we were looking at, what challenges we would be facing, and how much time does it take. So, we had a great rollout. We in fact went for the Unicommerce order fulfillment, inventory management, and stock keeping stacks along with the WMS. Today, I have like about 1,000 plus SKUs on multiple sites with high double-digit growths, much lower inefficiency losses, and much higher fulfillment rates. Now, a quick look at the data. I have about 99% fulfillment service level, a 96% plus pick accuracy rate, and my TAT has gone down by 20%. Now that's a dream scenario for somebody who's set up e-commerce operations, and to reach here in 2 years, it's a proud moment. And this would not have been possible without Unicommerce as a partner. I proudly say today that I'm experiencing hassle-free management of e-commerce operations, even during high fluctuations like the festive periods. And the rest of the time we're using to invest in our core business strategy. Right? Even as a team, I think Unicommerce has now started to operate like a partner. So we're not squabbling over monthly bills and prices. We're now looking at what are the capabilities that we look for in future, and how do we build those. So as partners, we look to generate more efficiency to create mutual success and finally prosperity for all. So cheers, Unicommerce team. Thanks.